All right, let's take a look. This time we will use the Hping tool to detect if the system is live or not. So if you type in the only command, Hping, it won't do anything. The Hping command is not found. So you must specify the version of Hping, like we mentioned before, that you are using, which is currently Hping 3. Now you can go to Hping 3, the tool, by typing Hping 3 and start the commands here. Or from the right, the root sessions, you can type Hping 3-S for the scan and the IP address or network range. So again, we're going to use 192.168.0.106. Now what we notice here is that Hping 3 is not getting anything back from the host. This is the same host that we used for the Nmap tool, and Nmap was able to give us a result that the host was live, but if you remember, all 1,000 scanned ports were filtered. Now, here is the difference between Hping and Nmap. Hping is trying to ping the host, so I'm going to go and remove the 06 and go for 1. All right, it's like when you type on the Windows command line ping and then the IP address. It keeps pinging the host. That's why Hping is not able to get any results from the host. So I'm going to specify a different scan type here. I'm going to remove the S here, or I can type on just like we had in the slides, and it's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to remove the -1 permitted here and specify the S here with port 80 and -F. I'm specifying here that I want to probe port 80 with the same scan. I'm going to hit enter. And obviously I'm going to get the same result because Hping is still trying to ping the address with ICMP. I'm not implying that Nmap is better than Hping or vice versa. Each tool has its own capabilities. Now, when we go over the ICMP with a regular ICMP or TCP ping scan and we use port scanning, we can detect which with Hping if the host is live or not. Now there are just a few differences in how each tool works, so let's cancel the scan and we're going to check out what will happen if I scan an open port. Alright, I'm going to get black flag SA. What is the SA flag? Now the S is the same flag that I have specified here in my command, which is the SYN flag, and the A is the acknowledgement. It means that the host is acknowledging that he received the packet. That's why it was detected as live, and here we can see the response from the host. This is a small but very important difference between Nmap and Hping. And more than that, Hping can tell you the IP ID number, the source port, the flags, and how many sequences. Some of this stuff you can get in Nmap, but you will need to add -V in your command for verbosity so you can see more details about what's happening in the background. All right, so Hping will bring out all the results of everything happening right in front of your eyes, and that's an advantage really for Hping over Nmap for an easy scan.